Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 3 simple DIY wedding decor ideas. So I got married over 12 years ago and I did a ton of DIYs for my own wedding, and I had so many good memories of creating all that stuff and enjoying that stuff and having the photos of that stuff. So I am a huge cheerleader for DIYing your own decor at your wedding. So today I want to share with you a few really simple, inexpensive DIYs you can make for your own wedding decor. Today's video is a collaboration with Emily from Mama from Scratch. If you have not checked out her channel, make sure to go there immediately after you watch my video. She's sharing her own DIY wedding decor ideas as well today, and she's doing some great renos on her house. So I'll leave a link to her channel in the description box below and her video as well. Now let's get into those DIYs.
This first one is a giant oversized modern wreath made from a hula hoop. So I used this spray paint called Rose Gold from Rust-Oleum, and I found this hula hoop at the dollar store. So all I did was spray painted this hula hoop with this rose gold spray paint, just a few thin coats, and I let everything dry. Then after my hula hoop was dry, it was this beautiful rose gold color. And then I found these faux peonies on Amazon. You might remember I posted an Amazon haul video a little while ago. These were the peonies from there. So for this entire bunch of faux peonies and extra florals, it was only around $19 Canadian, and I'm using this bunch for all of my DIYs today. So what I do when I do any sort of faux floral arrangement is I'll arrange the flowers how I want them. So I'll cut everything to size and then arrange them and make sure I like their arrangement. And then after that, I glue gun everything in place. So that's what I did here. I'm doing sort of an asymmetrical arrangement. So I'm putting my peonies on the right side of the hoop off center and just gluing them in place with my hot glue gun. So when I do things like this, I always like to start with the larger flowers and then move to the smaller ones. So in this case, the little peony buds, and then I add in my fillers and my greenery at the end. And I loved this bunch from Amazon because it did come with all of this filler, so the greenery and the little white flowers to kind of add some texture to this little arrangement. This is a really modern wreath because it is oversized, plus it's very, very simple. So it's mostly just this big gold hula hoop with just the small arrangement on the bottom right. Plus I'm going to add this burlap bow on top, so it's kind of a rustic glam look. So I just found this really wide ribbon. It's wired at Michael's. I love wired ribbon because you can manipulate it how you want. And then I just tied a bow at the top of my wreath. Then I just cut the bottom of my bow in this kind of triangular shape, and my wreath is all done. So this would be really beautiful at any wedding. You could make a few of them to hang on the wall, or you could use it at your head table to decorate the back of your head table, or in your ceremony. It would make some beautiful, simple decor. The next DIY I want to show you is this very, very simple chair decoration. This would be beautiful for one chair or all of the chairs at your ceremony or your reception. I love using tulle in anything wedding related because it's very romantic. So I just cut some tulle to size and draped it over the top of my chair like this. And then I took some more of that burlap wired ribbon and just tied a bow around the tulle like this. So this would work with any farmhouse style chair like the one I'm using here, or a ladder back chair, or even a folding chair. You could dress it up and make it look really special with tulle and this burlap ribbon. So I'm just tying another really simple bow. I'm manipulating the tails of the bow to give them that nice curved look. And after I have the tulle and the bow on my chair, I'm adding another one of those faux peonies from that bunch from Amazon. I'm just putting one in the center of the bow just like this. I'm just tucking it inside, no glue or anything. And then after I add the peony, I'm adding a little bit of this white filler flower. I found this at Michael's, as well as this faux fern for some greenery. So just a few different textures and colors of greenery and floral, and that completes my very simple but beautiful chair decoration. Finally, I want to show you how to make this lantern centerpiece. This would be beautiful in the center of your tables at your wedding or your head table, and it was really, really easy to make. So I started with this very simple and inexpensive white lantern from IKEA. I put some remote operated fairy lights inside, just the base of them inside, and then I took a very small piece of floral foam and I cut it to quite a small size. If you cut a large size, it's not going to fit inside your lantern. And then I took the remainder of those faux peonies from my bunch and placed them inside the foam just like this. So again, I'm starting with my large peonies first, and then I'm working towards my smaller items like the greenery, as well as some more faux ferns I found at Michael's. And then to cover the foam base at the bottom, I'm just using some sparkly green wire ribbon that I found at Michael's and just wrapping it around that foam base. You could also cover the foam base if you want with some moss. That would also look really nice, but in this case, I'm just using some wired ribbon, and I think that also works as well. Then you just kind of squish that little mini flower arrangement into the lantern just like this, and then you're going to pull that wire around your lantern however you wish. So again, I have that battery pack underneath my floral arrangement so it's hidden, and then I'm pulling my copper wire around my lantern a few times, and then I'm going to stuff it inside the lantern on top of my flower arrangement to light up the interior of my lantern. So this arrangement, you can use the remote to turn the lights on, and it adds a little bit of sparkle to the center of the tables at your wedding. I love that I can use the remote to operate this. I would leave the door open on this lantern so people could enjoy the floral arrangement, and you could mix it with candles or vintage books or anything like that for your wedding.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed these wedding decor DIY ideas. Let me know in the comments below which of these ideas was your favorite. Thank you so much, Emily, for collaborating with me on this DIY wedding decor video. Again, make sure to go ahead and pop over to Emily's channel and subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all again in my next video. Bye.